Hello, great and beautiful people. This is Isaac from IWM, and today we're gonna talk about microphones. Let's roll the video. Okay, I'm Isaac from IWM, and you're watching my YouTube channel, which is a channel for you that really loves music and loves the creation behind music. And also about creativity in general. I love that. I hope you do too. Okay, now for today's topic. We want to talk about microphones. And why is that? Well, I've noticed that there are millions of people out there that really truly believe that the better microphone you buy, the better music you're gonna make. And is that true? No, it's not true. And many people also assume that the more expensive microphone you buy, the better the recording is gonna be. And you know, it's really crazy. It's not true. And, you know, there are millions of different kind of microphones. And in all price ranges. I have microphones that are roughly $10 microphones up to $5,000 microphones. And yes, the only thing that I've noticed about different kind of microphones is that they sound different. That's all that they do. They sound different. And not all songs are the same, so that's why you sometimes want to change the sound. I do admit that in general, roughly, the more expensive microphone you buy, the more versatility you're gonna get from that microphone. You can change the sound a lot more later. That doesn't mean that that's a good thing, because I'm a big fan of creating decisions early in the process. So, which means that if you know what kind of sound you're after in the beginning, why try 15,000 types of microphones until you get that sound? If you already know what you're after, then the process is going to go so much faster and it's going to be a lot smoother at all. Okay, so for instance, this is a microphone of a more expensive kind. It's a Neumann microphone. Sounds wonderful, depending on the song. It's very transparent, whatever that means. Which means in my world that it's versatile. You can, it never sounds bad if you put that microphone up, depending on how you put it, of course. That's another video. And also, a very common microphone. You see this one? Shure SM58. Typical dynamic phone, maybe the most common microphone in the whole entire world. And this can be perfect also. And there are a pretty bit of price range on these two microphones. But again, the only thing that really matters is what comes out of the speakers. You know that if you watch my channel. And the only thing I can say about the microphones is really that they sound different. They have different styles. I look at them as different kind of eyes. If you have you know, a certain type of glasses on, you will see certain things. If you have another type of glasses on, you will see another thing. And it's about the same thing with the microphones. That they see the world differently, which means that it's very important to listen through the microphone and see what the microphone is really seeing / listening to. For instance, this kind of microphone is very concentrated around here. And this kind of microphone can be adjusted so that it takes the sound from around the microphone. And it will capture the room as well. So it all depends on what you're after. But remember, again, I say it for the third time, The only thing that is different between the microphone's sound and how they capture the sound is really that they are just different. They capture different kind of sound. But then also, depending on the angle, the gain staging and all that, you can get another type of sound. I always say that it's a big, the difference between putting a microphone in a different situation, in a different angle, is sometimes more, change the sound more than actually change the microphone. How about that? But that's another video, and this is just my opinion about microphones in general, that they are different. They capture sound in a different way. And make sure that if you buy a microphone, try that microphone out as much as you can before you buy another one, because the recording is not going to get better. It's only going to get different. Okay, so if you like what I do, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions about microphones that you have used a lot, or if you like and want to say something about, please put it in the comment, and I will reply as soon as I can to that. And also, of course, hit the bell, do the things you normally do on the YouTube channel, and I'll be very happy. And I will make sure that another video comes out about microphone placement soon. Okay, until next time, take care. And don't buy too many microphones. Bye-bye.